Commander, your cruiser will punch its way into the mass of smaller Tyranid ships guarding the main Hive fleet. Once in position, the Armageddon will drop your hand-picked squad's fire drop pod toward the base of the massive capillary tower that is feeding the main Hive ship. Thanks to the data you collected earlier, Apothecary Gordian has readied a special biotoxin. You are to poison the tower, and through it, the brain of the Hive fleet itself. This should deal a lethal dose to the Hive mind, and send the Hive fleet into disarray. One way or another, this will be the last battle of the defense of Aurelia. May the Emperor grant us victory. Angelos out. The vile intelligence at the heart of the Hive fleet has made itself vulnerable. Strike as its tendrils tap into the planet below. Feed it the poison we have developed. No matter the cost, you must bring it low.
Commander, the Hive fleet feeds through massive capillary towers. Each tower draws from many veins in the surrounding terrain. These veins are where you must deliver the biotoxin. You can redeem that your chapter.
Armageddon! Come in! Come in!
The first of the veins is ahead. Move out!
Allied forces spotted.
Space Marines approaching!
Sergeant Merrick, report.
Xenos forced down our Valkyrie, sir. Scattered us across the damn landscape. It'll take more than a few bruises to take us out of the fight, though.
Third squad down to 6 men, Sergeant! No survivors from second!
Right. Morris, form survivors into full squads, and then inventory what gear we have left. Vagan, get the remains of the first squad into a perimeter, and then get that blasted Auspex working.
Copy. Brothers, claim it for the chapter. Biotoxin delivery. Underway.
Movement detected! Aliens on approach!
Enemy attacks from the north.
All right, men. These things are here to take our worlds away from us. I, for one, do not intend to let that happen. Form up into defensive firing lines.
Commander, this is 2. Tarantula turret ready to drop on your position. Just give it a break.
Get ready! Here they come! Warrior Beast! Open fire!
Poisoning 25% complete. Enemy destroyed. Under attack. Enemy assault forces spotted.
These monsters in a twisted nightmare.
The whole damn planet is infected.
Commander, we need to administer another dose of biotoxin at a second site. There are exposed veins further along the ridge.
Best to destroy the rest of these nests, Commander.
Get to that position, brothers. Receiving fire. Second biotoxin delivery, starting now. Commander, north and south approaches are both vulnerable.
Thunderhawk 2, Commander. We have taken it. Moving into Tarantula Central. Your command.
Cyrus here, under fire. It is done. Move on.
Concentrate las fire! Warrior Beast! Open fire!
Forward! Tyranid assault! It is done! Another triumph, brother! Tyranid assault! There! Go!
Poisoning 25% complete.
It's done! Move on! It is done! Move on!
Warrior Beast! Open fire!